So this question we have June 2020, 13 variant, question number 10. And what a question we have, the coordinates A, B. You can see this is A coordinate and there's a B coordinate respectively. Show that equation of perpendicular sector is this. So we have to find it. So let's start. So, and you know the basic concept of perpendicular bisector. There's nothing hard we done in chapter of coordinate geometry. So job number one, I will draw a line which makes 90-degree and passes through the midpoint. M is midpoint. So job number one, because this question is 4 marks. So midpoint I'm finding first of all. In formula, you know, x is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So I label here x1, I label here y1, I label here x2 and y2. The chance of mistake reduce in this way. X1 is -7, x2 is a 5. -2, -1 is my x coordinate. And what is y1, y2? Very clear, 3 and 11. So 3 and 11 become 14. I got a 7. So midpoint coordinates are coming clear. That is a -1 and 7. But you know, and now I'm going for the gradient of AB line. Formula, obviously you know it, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm applying formula 11 minus 3 in the numerator. 11 minus 3 and 5 minus -7. Here I got 8 and here I got 12. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. So gradient of AB is this, but what is this perpendicular line gradient? I'll say that as perpendicular lines. So gradient of perpendicular line will be negative reciprocal. You know, 3 will go up, flip, 3 will go up, 2 will go down, sign changes. Now I will use what? I will use midpoint, I use this coordinate, so make sure. So equation of perpendicular bisector. Bisector itself saying 90-degree. So I'm using which point is very clear. I'm -17 and the gradient I'm using -3 by 2. So y minus y, I'm using direct now because I believe you won't have idea. And it's minus into minus, you know very well. 2 goes there, 2y minus 14 and -3x. And this is a plus into minus -3. And ultimately I got 2y is equals to -3x and plus 11. Let's see what the same demand. Yes, 3x plus 2y. Yeah, he needs both values left side, no problem. So I write the same way. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11 proved. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you got a point. Nothing hard. A quick revision of the sector. Part number next. A part done. Part B for 5 marks. And basically, before we start, I just tell you the property of the concept. What is the property of the theory? Okay, whenever any, because he mentioned that A is lying here and B is lying here, and when this is joining, this is called chord, CHORD, chord. This length is called chord. Okay, and whenever we draw a perpendicular bisector or any chord on any chord, okay, any chord, for example, this is any chord, so it makes 100% 90-degree for midpoint and it passed from center of circle. There's no question about it. Okay, and we will focus one more thing. This is a line given by him is here. He said himself, and they cut each other at center of circle. How I know? Because he mentioned that that we have a circle passes through AB. That is very clear. its center lies on this line. So it means this another line, one line we found, okay, that is a for sure line passes to center of circle. But he given another line. I am writing here the word and another line. Okay, this one. So if I solve them simultaneously, I've got center of circle. Center of circle I label as a C. So let's try to find it. So what is the question? 12x minus 5y. 12x minus 5y is equals to 70, is equal to 70. And this equation I'm copying paste here. If I bring it here, equation students, what to do? Here 12, here I need 12. Why not multiply into 4 and copy here? So into 4, into minus 4 better. Into minus 4 here, it becomes negative 12x. Into minus here, minus 4, I get negative 8. Negative 4 here, negative 44. Let's recheck once again. Into 4, 12, into 4, 2, into 4, 11. Okay. They cancel out. Negative 13y. And from 70, I got a 6. And from 6, I got 20. So this is clear. And positive. Okay. And this divide, when negative 13 divides, so I get negative 2. So this is clear. When this negative 2, I'm plugging it here or any one equation. 3x plus 2 times 2 negative 2 equal to 11. Okay, 3x minus 4 equal to 11. Okay, 3x equal to 15. And x become what? 5. So I got a 5 and y center circle turned to be 5 comma negative 2. But is game over? No. Equation circle is question asking for. So we need a radius. How to get radius? You find CA or find CB, both are correct. So I'm finding CA. Where is A coordinates? A coordinate negative 7, 3, negative 7, 3, negative 7, 3. So distance formula I'll use. And then what is the method? 5 minus that. So 5 plus 7 whole square. And this minus that. So minus 2 minus 3 whole square. And I'm getting 144. And this is a 5. So 25. And if we add them, we come what? 169, 13 comes. So what is the formula for equation of circle? X minus A whole square plus Y minus B whole square equals to R square. And what does A stand for? X value of center, sorry, X value center of circle. And B stand for this other one. So Y minus this minus and this minus become plus. And 13 comes here. You expand it or you leave it, no problem at all. And this is our final equation of circle. And he was asking that find equation of circle for 5 marks. Some students can ask how you know this line coming this way. So you know best way when you have a second equation given, this one. So try your best to make a y subject. So 5y goes there, 70 comes this side. So 5y is equal to 12x minus 70. Divide by 5, you got a 12 over 5x and minus 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So this is very clear and this is a positive gradient. And you know all the lines which way this format comes, they have positive gradient. All the line this way, they will come negative gradient. So that is why I found from here there's a positive gradient. That is why I drew this line this way. Okay. Otherwise, it could be like this even. Sorry, this way. Okay. I think the point is very clear and the question is completely over.